Hi and welcome to Blue Sky Nail Secrets. I'm Almbanis, your global ambassador, and today I'm going to be sharing with you our latest innovation, Lexan Gel. This is the most exciting product because it's a 5-second cure. That means you build the nail, put it in your LED lamp for 5 seconds, and you are ready to file. Time is money when you're a nail technician, so we all know how great this is, and this is what we were all dreaming of. Less chit-chat, uncomfortable talk with our clients. I like talking with my clients, but sometimes, I want to get them in and out of the chair a little bit faster, and sometimes they got to get out of the chair a lot faster too. So are you ready to see our new product? Use the Blue Sky cuticle pusher to push the cuticle back. Use the Blue Sky nail file to shape your nails. Use the Blue Sky cleansing wipe to cleanse your nails. Apply a Blue Sky nail form. Apply a thin layer of Blue Sky Acid Free Primer. Apply a thin layer of Blue Sky base coat, capping the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds under an LED lamp or 120 seconds under a UV lamp. Apply a thin layer of Lexan Gel and cure for 5 seconds. Apply a second coat of Lexan Gel and cure for 5 more seconds. Remove Blue Sky nail form. Use the Blue Sky Cleanser Wipe to clean the nail. File and buff the nails to the desired shape using the Blue Sky nail files. Use the Blue Sky Cleanser Wipes to clean your nails again. Apply a thin layer of Blue Sky no wipe top coat, evenly capping the edges. Cure for 60 seconds under an LED lamp or 120 seconds under a UV lamp. I hope you are all excited about how much time you're going to save with our new Lexan Gel. For more information, contact your local distributor, and don't forget to follow us on our social media. We look forward to reading your comments.